Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. I'm Michelle Zanovich with MakingMemoriesWithMichelle.com, and I'm crafting with you live every morning this week as we head into spring and some certain uncertainty. As you know, if you've been watching, I've been working with the No Matter the Weather Paper Pumpkin Kit, which came on Sunday, and I am making alternate projects using the pieces that came in the kit this month. All right, so today I wanted to use the little bunny rabbit stamp because he's super cute and adorable, and we're going to make an Easter card. So if you're crafting along with me, if you've got your kit and you're crafting along with me, you're going to need this watercolor base, and we're going to use this envelope. I'm going to take this envelope apart, okay? So I'm going to grab my Stampin' Trimmer, and the first thing that I'm going to do is just slide it over here, and I really, you know what, I'm going to turn it this way. I'm just going to cut the ends off because I'm going to open this up. So I'm really just cutting that seam, and then we're going to use this piece of this envelope. Oh my goodness, look, it looks like a little rabbit there. Okay. Now these cards are note card size. They measure 5 inches by 3.5. So if you're, and then I'm going to just cut the adhesive off there. If you are using the paper, just know, or if you're trying to recreate, just know that that's the size of your card. Now I want these stripes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tag. So again, let's see what we can do here. All right, so this measures from here to here, right about 3.5. So again, I'm going to take just a little bit off because I'm trying to get a piece that doesn't have any white. Okay, so now I want a 2-inch strip here. Whoops, that's my scoring tool. I should know better than that. All right, so now this measures 3.5 by 2. And then I have this ornate tag topper punch, and I'm just going to slide it in and make a little tag. Love tag topper punches. They make my life so easy. Good morning, Debbie. It's good to see you. Donna, did I see that you were there this morning? Awesome. Oh, thanks for sharing. That's very kind. All right. So now I'm going to set this aside for right now. That's going to go on my paper in a second. But let's do some stamping. I have my Stampin' Pierce mat out. And the first thing I want to do is grab, oh, I've got a piece right there. Good morning. I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I'm going to stamp this in basic gray, which happens to be the color that came in the Paper Pumpkin Kit this week. And I'm going to stamp that basket of flowers. Oh, that's really pretty. And then while I'm here, I'm also going to stamp my little bunny, also in basic gray. How cute. Okay, then I have some pretty springtime flower Stampin' Right markers. So I have Daffodil Delight and Granny Apple Green, and we're just going to add some color to our flowers here. So just quickly, just add some color. And since this is a watercolor wash, I'm not sure that your coloring has to be absolutely perfect. I did grab my glasses for this morning, though, so that I could see what I was doing. Because these leaves on here are tiny. Okay. When I was out for my walk the other day, so many of my neighbors have got their spring flowers blooming in containers on their patios or on their front porches, and it just looks so cheerful. So I thought, well, this would make a very pretty card to send to somebody to cheer them up. Okay, then Daffodil Delight. I'm just going to color these flowers. Yellow seems to be the predominant color out there that I see right now. Lots of daffodils in my neighborhood. These aren't daffodils, but we're going to color them yellow anyways. What do you have blooming near you? I know some of you got snow this week. Let's see, I missed a few leaves here. Okay. Now to make life easy on me, I have my 2-inch circle punch. Good morning, Janice. Yes, everything is going very well right now in North Carolina. At least in my house and my parents' house. Okay, so let's grab some balmy blue. And this is my Starburst punch. I love this combination. 2-inch circle punch and the Starburst punch just makes excellent layering. Okay, and then I'm going to pop that on there really quick. Okay, so I'm just going to set all these pieces here. And where in the world, there it is. I was going to say, where did that bunny hop off to? Okay, so I'm just going to fussy cut him out really quick, okay? So grab your snips. He's a pretty easy design, so just take your time, follow him around. I know some of you out there love to fussy cut, and some of you will do anything you can to avoid it. I fall somewhere in the middle. If it's a design like this rabbit, I don't quite mind it, but I was doing something the other day. It might have been in the poppies. Oh my goodness. It's a true test of patience, that's for sure. So I do cut off big pieces as I go along, just to get them out of my way. And someone told me years ago to turn the paper and not your scissors, and that helps you around the corners. So I try to remember that. You know, if you have your paper pumpkin kit, or even old paper pumpkin kits, Michelle Avents, who's on here watching, showed me her paper pumpkin kits that she has stocked up and working on right now. You know, if you've got kids around, this is a great time to do some crafting with them. Kids love to craft, and paper pumpkin is a perfect. All right, so all I did was take my petal pink marker and I added just a little bit of color to his ear just to make him stand out. All right, so there's another piece. Now, remember these came in the kit. These are really nice little labels. So I'm gonna pop this petal pink one out. Now, I grabbed the sentiment from the Welcome Easter stamp set, and I used this all last week, remember? So I grabbed this, Happy Easter, and we're going to stamp that as well in basic gray. All right, so I've got my pieces here. I have this and this and our little bunny. Oh, he's cute. Cute, cute, cute. You know what? Since this has so many rounded corners, I'm going to grab, what's wrong with them? This is my trio punch, and I'm going to take this tag. See, I'm crafting right along with you this morning. And I'm going to round the corners on my tag, okay? Quick and easy, very simple. And I think that will make our design look a little more fluid with the round corners. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like that. Okay, this needs something, but we'll get there. Okay, so I have some of this organdy striped ribbon in petal pink. I have my tape on it so it doesn't go all over my ribbon drawer. I'm gonna cut a length off of this. I did that backwards. There we go. Okay. And then I have some Whisper White Baker's twine. And I'm just going to tie a bow. Okay. Ribbon scissors. There. Okay, ready? This is going to call for dimensionals this morning. Do you have a stash of adhesive? If you don't, you might want to think about placing an order to make sure that you're covered while you are sequestered. I want to move that a little higher. Okay. And then, remember I said I think that needs something? There's just too much pink at the moment. So we'll add that behind it. Okay, I am going to put my basket of flowers right there. Just a little snail. And some little mini dimensionals on my rabbit. I like that. Okay. Happy Easter. What a fun card. Okay. Yesterday, my friend Britton said she liked the card I made. Everything was fine. And then I said I was going to add some dimensionals and she thought, or some embellishments, and she thought, no, 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 you don't need those. Well, then after she saw that I did, she liked it. So, you know what? Oh, I don't know where they are. Those little raindrop epoxies that came in the kit would have been really cute on here. Wonder where I put them. I bet they're in the box. I'll look for them later. All right. Another paper pumpkin alternative this week using the Weather Together stamps and cards, along with what to do with those envelope liners. All right. Thanks for watching. Join me again tomorrow. I'll be here at 8 o'clock and we'll do some more crafting with paper pumpkin. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.